What's up, my crypto lovers? I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum. My name is Crypto Nug. Let's get into it. So basically what I see here, guys, is that we are forming a massive double bottom on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, here's one bottom, there's another bottom over there. This is the neckline, and if Bitcoin breaks up and is able to find support over here, we're looking at the price rallying all the way up to here. And how did I find the target? I take it from the top to the bottom of the W pattern, and then I move it up. And as you can see, I've already drawn it. This is basically the target. So you can say around about our next resistance zone, which is right over there at the top. It's crucial basically for Bitcoin to break through this resistance, because this is a very strong resistance. And I think this is basically the pivotal point for Bitcoin right over here. We got to be careful though, because Bitcoin could come up and then just steal liquidity and not hold the price over here, and then come all the way down. That is going to be a very bearish sign for Bitcoin. That would invalidate our double top pattern, double bottom pattern. So basically, if we're looking at a double bottom pattern, it looks like this, right? You have your first bottom, then your second bottom with the neckline. So if you go here, the first bottom, the second bottom with the neckline, right? And then the target would be all the way at the top. You take the price from the top to the bottom of the pattern, you put it at the top, and the price target will be all the way at the top. So as we did over here, this is going to be our price target all the way at the top over there. So that would be a complete double bottom with a target. But this is where we got to be extremely careful. Let me show you guys. So with the double top pattern, double bottom pattern, if we are not able to hold this zone, it could turn into a double top pattern. And what does that mean is basically we'll get the left top and then the right top. So if it goes here, right, this would be the first top, come down, and now if we're not able to hold this level, like I said, and push the price higher, the bulls, this could be a double top pattern, and it would look like an M. So it's basically this pattern over here. And that's actually very bearish. So that's why it's so important to basically break above our resistance line, which is over here, the red line, and hold above this line. We need strong volume. That's very important. Strong volume, and there should be no bearish divergence. That would basically give the confluence and basically the bullish case scenario for us to be breaking out and then retesting this zone and holding it, and then we can go to our price target. So that is a good potential trade, and there is going to be a trade to the downside if it's not able to do that. If it comes up, I showed you guys the double top pattern, goes like this, might just steal some liquidity, fall right down again. Boom. We can trade this as a short if it's not able to hold, and then basically it will do something like this and go further down. That is the bearish case scenario for Bitcoin. But that's yet to come. For now, things do look a bit more bullish, because it does seem like this is a reversal from our overall trend, as you guys can see. I'm just going to go on the daily time frame. Right, so our trend looks like this. Pretty clean, I must say. Right, we retested this zone, came up again, and now we're retesting the zone again. So I potentially think that we are forming this one, a fake double top pattern on the larger time frame. So on the daily time frame, this could be a fake double top pattern. So we come up, our first top came down, our second top, and now we're setting in our higher lows. As you can see, this is a lower low on the price, and this is a higher low on the price, right? So that is currently a very bullish sign, and it does seem like we can go for that final leg up now. So this would be the final leg. We hold this, we complete that double bottom pattern, and we start sitting in higher highs, and Bitcoin is off to the final rally in setting in higher price targets. So yeah, guys, that's definitely to come. We need to keep our eye on the charts closely, but for now the chart does look a lot more bullish than bearish, due to the fact that these are all higher lows. Higher low structure is very bullish. So we're looking to set that new higher high, and we know we'll be off to the races. I'm just going to go into the total crypto market cap for you guys. Just give me 1 second as it loads. This is another crucial thing with the total crypto market cap, right? As we can see, this confirmed the bearish scenario for me when we started our downtrend rally, right? There was a head and shoulders pattern. We came down, and now we're also doing the same on the total crypto market cap. We are creating a W pattern. For me, what would make this bullish is once we set in the higher high. So this is our first high. If we set a higher high over here, that would confirm an uptrend for me. And that is definitely something I'm looking out for. So I'm trying to simplify it as best as I can. So a higher high structure and a higher low structure is a bullish structure. So for example, this low, right? If you look at this low over here is lower than this one. So this is a lower low, and that is a higher low. That's already a bullish sign. So now we need to set that's the first high. We need to set a higher high. Then we need to make a higher low. So say the price comes down, or let's not say there, let's say the price comes down here. Then we need to set a higher high than this one. And that is basically how we confirm a uptrend. So it will go up. It will basically then retest our highs every time. So this is the first high, and this is our next high. So then we go for the next high, and then we come retest that again. That is a bull trend and a higher high and higher low structure. And that is what we're looking for in the Bitcoin chart right now. And this is the total crypto market cap, which does confirm also a double bottom. We're just hoping that it doesn't form into a double top. Like I mentioned, the price could roll over, come steal some liquidity in here, and then roll over. So we need to basically keep a close eye. We need daily closes above this zone. Once we have confirmed daily closes, I am going to turn full bullish. So yeah, guys, that's what the charts are looking like right now. I must say Bitcoin does look bullish, and I do love the structure of Bitcoin. We have on the smaller time seen these structures play out, which are quite good as well, which are also reversal patterns. For example, this is a inverse head and shoulders. Let me show you guys, right? So that's a left shoulder, that's the head, that's the right shoulder, the target from the top to the bottom. It's also a reversal single, like I mentioned, and we basically almost touch the target, right? That's Bitcoin. I'm gonna show you more charts that's forming the exact same pattern. If we go over to Ethereum, you can see here's the left shoulder, here's the head, here's the right shoulder, and we haven't met the target yet. So I do see more upside for us to go meet this target. So that's Ethereum, and I'm looking at Rune as well. Rune on the smaller time frame looked amazing, guys. Look at this. Look at how beautiful the chart looks. And you see, this is basically what I mean when I said higher highs and higher lows. This was the high. Look at Rune, set in a higher high than this high, and also a higher high than this high, because it just made it above. This is the line. So it's already confirming a higher high structure and a higher low structure. And this is the pivotal point which I'm mentioning, where we saw a inverse head and shoulders, a bullish reversal pattern, and that was the target, and Rune literally just smashed it. It went all the way up, 50% pump. So right now Rune most likely will come test these as support again, and then basically we'll do the higher low structure for Rune. So we'll definitely be keeping an eye out on that. Rune looks amazing, guys, I must say. ETH looks amazing, and Bitcoin looks amazing. And in the next videos, I will go over the divergences and the RSIs as to help you guys trade, what you need to look at in the charts in order to confirm if a trend is bullish or not, so that we don't get faked out. For now, give me a like, give me a follow, much love. Crypto Nug from Just HQ. I'm here every day for you guys. And drop some comments if you guys want to see anything, if you guys want to discuss anything, if you guys want to know how to trade, what to trade. If you want more information, drop it in the comments, guys. I'll reply, and I'll make videos on it for you guys. Much love. Also, guys, like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it, as we are trying to grow to our first 1,000 subscribers. Let's go. This is not financial advice. It's only my opinion, and it's for educational purposes only.